Hey all, welcome back to Dia's Beauty Blossom. Today I am here with the product review from Body Shop. You all know how much I have my love towards the Body Shop products, and I just love those products. The product I'll be reviewing today is Show Whitening Night Care Treatment, and this is a night treatment cream. If you want to know my take on this product, then keep on watching. This is how the packaging is. It comes in this cute little tub which is cream in color. So this is a moisture cream. And you have this lid, and when you open this you have this cream inside. This almost completed this cream, and you can see cream in color, and you get 40 ml of this product, and the cost of this is 2,495 rupees. Have the cream is, and it absorbs quickly. It doesn't take much time, but it leaves a shine. You can see it's not a cream, it's also a treatment, and it is really expensive. The ingredients you have in this are shisho, which actually helps in reducing melanin in your skin, and also it helps in reducing the effects which the skin gives when it exposes to the sun, like tanning or pigmentation. Vitamin C, it actually helps in evening out your skin tone, and then it also have licorice, and also it has a community trait aloe vera in it, and aloe vera is also plays a major role in reducing the tan. These are the main ingredients. Apart from this, there are many ingredients like aqua, glycerin, and all those things. It actually claims that there is a rich cream which helps in brightening your skin tone, and also it makes your skin fairer or whitening in 4 weeks. That's what it claims. So let me tell you one thing, I didn't buy this cream for any whitening purpose, so I don't support that. I just want to try this to even out my skin tone, because my skin, if you can also see, it has uneven skin tone around the mouth area and here on this. I actually bought this cream for that purpose. One of the other important factor to buy this was because it's from Body Shop, so obviously there are community trade products in it from all over the world, and it's actually not tested on animal, and most of these are almost 100% natural, like 99% natural products, and it also is a Japanese formula. And if coming to my take on this product, it actually is very creamy in texture. It's not at all suitable for oily skin type, so I am not oily skin type, so it was good for me. But if you want to try this in summer, this is not at all a good product, because it makes your skin too much oily. I have read lots of reviews online before buying these products. I have seen very good reviews by most of the bloggers, so I thought I'll try this product. But when I tried this product on myself, initially the first impression was like, it's too oily on my skin. I have more dry skin, but still I feel it's like oily. So you can imagine, if you're an oily skin person, it will not suit you. It doesn't actually help me in reducing the tan or reducing the pigmentation on my skin. It didn't at all help me in evening out my skin tone. So as per me, no, it doesn't do what it claims for. So I don't believe in whitening, so I'm not expecting to have my skin tone a bit white, fairer. I was expecting to even out my skin tone, so it did not do any as a job. But as per moisturizing, yes, it does a good moisturizer. As a good moisturizer, it is really good. But coming to the price point, as it's like 2,500, nearly 2,500 bucks, I think there are many other skin creams or treatments out in market which are good moisturizers. If I was looking for a moisturizer, I can prefer any other brand or any other skincare product from Body Shop itself, but this did not at all help me in what the purpose I bought it for. But if you're looking for a good moisturizer in winter, if you're too dry skin, then this is a really good moisturizer in the winter. I'm not sure that I am using a Body Shop product, so it has to work on my skin. That's how other products work. But I went back to the store, I asked the person, they said it takes some time to impact your skin tone. Maybe you're not noticing it, but it's helping you in anti-aging properties and all those things. But I completely use this product. You can see how much I have used this product. I've almost emptied this bottle, but I did not notice any major difference on the pigmentation or evening out my skin tone. So that's all what I feel about this product. And yeah, my feedback is honest, so I cannot just say that because I love Body Shop, I just cannot say that everything is very superb and nice in the Body Shop range. But I didn't like this product, so that's my review on it. If you still want to try this product, yes, you can always buy it because it's really good as a moisturizer. I'll put all the links down below if you want to buy this, and try this out. So yeah, that's all guys about the review of this product from my end. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you're also not my subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support me, and also be a part of Diya's fam. And also there's a small bell button, don't forget to hit that so you can keep yourself updated with all my new upcoming videos.